rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1041, Williams case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated.
Get ready, folks. This courtroom just turned into a financial battleground. Who's paying for private school and who's sipping cocktails curbside? Let's dive into this domestic drama where receipts and reputations are on the line.
Okay, Mrs. Williams, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 children together. I have not received any child support from him. Our children go to private school. They play sports, dance lessons, singing lessons. They're very active and it's very expensive. We do share custody and time, but I pay for private school. He pays for health insurance and that's all. I pay for everything else.
What kind of money you make to be paying all of that?
I'm an attorney.
Oh, okay.
But I'm used to a certain lifestyle.
Private school, dance lessons, singing lessons. Sounds more like the lineup for a Broadway star than a custody case. But here's the legal twist. Shared custody doesn't mean shared expenses unless there's a court order. Is mom carrying more than her fair share, or just not documenting it?
I mean, I can't even afford to get my nails done, my hair done. It's embarrassing.
You're
because
an attorney,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you can afford tuition, but not to get your nails done.
Because all my money's going to the tuition and all of their extracurricular activities. I've been sacrificing the things that I'm used to that I was able to do before.
Hold up. This might be the first time. We've heard nail appointments used as legal evidence in a child support case. But it speaks volumes about lifestyle versus necessity. And judges do notice how money is prioritized. What do you think? Justified sacrifice or misplaced priorities?
Or when we were still together and we had that combined income, and now my money's going to the kids and I don't have any money left for the lifestyle that I've been accustomed to, and getting my nails done and my hair and massages and things like that.
It's still not making sense to me, but okay. Is that all you wanted to let me know before I move over to him? Okay. Mr. Williams, make this make sense.
You know, although she makes more money, she has an extravagant lifestyle. The hair, the nails, the massage. You know, she didn't tell you about the personal chef or the maid that she has come clean the house every week.
So now it's making sense, okay.
And let alone the drinking problem that you have.
Drinking
The
problem.
weekly stops to the liquor store to have a curbside pickup. Come on now.
Boom! The dad drops a full character witness list. Chef, maid, and cocktails? Someone call Bravo, because this just turned into Real Parents of Family Court. But jokes aside, this raises credibility issues that judges take very seriously.
He's telling the truth, isn't he?
Well, you know, after being in court
That
all
wasn't my
day,
question. He's telling the truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're getting somewhere about, and you brought him to court
Yes.
for child support.
Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you make?
$70,000 a year.
And just like that, we've got an admission. One drink isn't the issue. It's the perception of priorities. Judges don't judge you for unwinding, but they do raise an eyebrow if your wine budget outweighs your child's tuition fund.
I make $100,000 less than she does.
But again, I pay for pretty much everything. The only thing he pays for the kids is the health insurance. I pay for everything.
Health insurance is pretty important. You'd agree with me, right?
It is, and I appreciate that. I do. But I don't want to pull my kids from private school or you know, take them out of the things that they love to do because I can't afford it.
Right, and don't say that again because you can afford it. If what he's saying is true, you're getting your nails done, you're going on trips, you're doing all of these other things, you know, especially going to the liquor store. Alcohol is not cheap. You can afford it. You're just choosing to do something other than what you should be doing, which is taking care of these children. Now, how often are you all, I'm assuming you don't live together anymore, right? Correct. All right, how often are you all exchanging the children?
We have them equally, so that'll be 2 weekends a month.
Okay.
Let's pause here. The judge just dropped the truth hammer. This isn't about who makes more, it's about who makes better financial decisions for the kids. That's the courtroom's North Star. Say it louder for the parents in the back.
All right, yeah, you came in here to waste my time. I'm not getting ready to play with you. I am not going to make him pay you child support when you make $100,000 more than he does. You didn't object when he said you make $100,000 more than him, so he's telling the truth, right? Yeah, what kind of lawyer are you? Never mind.
And here it comes, judgment time. Notice how the judge isn't swayed by earnings alone. She's applying what's called an income offset. Translation? No free rides just because you make less. Let's see how this math plays out.
So this is what we're going to do. I am going to base child support off of what's called an offset, okay? So I'm going to do the child support calculations for the both of you and subtract it. And the difference is going to go to the person who makes more, which is you, all right? So with 200,000, excuse me, and 70,000, is that correct? Okay. So for mom, I have your gross. You actually cap out. So your gross is about $12,325.35. Dad, your gross is $5,833.33, bringing your net to $9,200 for you, $4,664.67 for you. Health insurance, you pay it, how much is it?
It's $100 a month.
Okay, you're gonna split that. So $50 for you, $50 for you. Mom, your child support obligation comes down, well, hold on. How many children? 2 children, right?
We have 3 children between us and 4 total.
3 children, 4 total. Who has the other child? Okay, thank you for telling me that, because that reduces your child support obligation and increases yours. So the difference and adding the health insurance, it comes out to $1,533 per month. And Mrs. Williams, that's what you're going to be ordered to pay to him. Any questions about that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Plot twist. Mom brought him to court and walked out with a monthly bill. That's courtroom karma, folks. Morale of the story? Come prepared, come clean, and always know your numbers before taking the stand.
Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.